you elaborate on your plans to launch a generic version of semaglutide in 87 countries next year? That does sound somewhat ambitious, given all these uncertainties surrounding trade and the global economy. And then, of course, there are the legal and regulatory approvals in multiple jurisdictions. Just how smooth is this process going to be from your perspective?
We'll try to make it the best we can, but we are very excited about it. This is a very, very important product because it becomes more and more as a first-line therapy for type 2 diabetic, as well as for weight loss. The reason that so many markets can be open next year is because in many of these markets, the product was never launched due to capacity constraint by the innovator. And actually, we have a chance to bring the product for the first time to these countries. And these are all what we call emerging market by and large. The patent expiration in India, as well as in Brazil, and the loss of data exclusivity in Canada allow also the opportunity to launch this product in these countries. We are actually in front of a decade in which other countries, as well as other versions of GLP-1, not just semaglutide, will be open. It will be changed the way we will fight diabetic and weight loss in the world.
Erez, and India is one of those launch countries where the patent goes off in March 2026. However, you are, as I understand it, currently involved in a patent dispute with Novo Nordisk in India. Have you got anything that you can share with us as to the resolution, or how near you are to a resolution of that dispute?
No, that's correct. It's still in the High Court, so obviously we will. It's what we call sub-justice. We don't have yet a resolution. We are disputing the validity of the patent, as well as our ability to make for countries that without a patent. And we hope for a good resolution. We'll wait for a court decision.
I understand. Given the size of the global obesity drug market, up to $150 billion by 2035, what share, Erez, looking longer term, is Dr. Reddy's targeting, and over what period of time do you hope to command that market share? And broadly, from Dr. Reddy's point of view as a revenue generator, how much of a future growth driver is semaglutide going to be for you?
It is going to be an important product for us. We can certainly see it is growing at the pace of to get to hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue. At the same time, there was something that came to the screen. At the same time, we are building not just for the launch in these countries. We are building ourselves to launch in countries that will open in 2027, 2028, as well as other GLP-1 product. So we believe that in each one of the countries, we normally, depends on the numbers of competitors, trying to reach to any number for 5 to 25% market share. And in many of those countries, we are going to introduce the product to the market. So it could be a situation in some markets will be the main one or the only one for a certain period of time until the others will come. What will happen is that the cost of this product will go down significantly. More people, and in most of the world, it's an out-of-pocket product, will be able to afford it. And I believe that it will change the paradigm, not just on weight loss, but also on diabetic type 2.